How to embed Vimeo video in WordPress. It's very easy, just need few clicks. Let's see how. Log in your WordPress WP admin dashboard. Go to page, all page. Select the page where you can add the Vimeo video. I want to add Vimeo video on home page. So I select home page. Then click on Edit with Elementor. Then from left hand side select Video. Then from the drop down menu select Vimeo. Now go to Vimeo, click on Share, copy the video URL, back to WordPress, then paste here Vimeo video link. Now appear here Vimeo video, then publish. That's it.